Alright folks, today for what we have for you is a 1996 Daihatsu Hi-Jet mini truck. This one is an automatic with AC. So as usual, I'm going to walk around and show you what it looks like on the outside and then show you what it looks like on the inside. So as you can tell, up in the front there's a minor ding on the front of it there. The door looks fine. Tiny imperfections on the bottom here. The bed is decent shape overall. Normal for a pickup truck. To show you, I haven't closed the bed yet, so I'll show you. Alrighty, so this is the bed. Looks like all four sides. This is the other side of the truck. Tiny little dent on the bottom here. Tiny little things here. You open the cabin. The door, the cart is clean. The seat is in okay shape. The inside overall looks fine. The driver's side seat has a tear on it, and this is the overall the ceiling. So overall in clean shape, this mini truck, with the exception of a few imperfections. I'm going to show you what the driver's side looks like. This is the driver's side door tag, door card. This is the driver's side seat, and the mileages, as you can see in the engine, on the dash. Alright, so this mini truck is now available for sale. Again, this one is a 96 Daihatsu Hi-Jet with 89,000 kilometers, so more like 60,000 miles. Overall in decent shape. Now available for sale, folks. Thank you so much.